see him. They should give him an animal name. Oh, you can't go down there.
Trying to get that bird.
Oh, yeah, there is.
Oh, he got him.
I missed it.
Oh, you got him.
I know.
He hates the bird. He's like, yep, I got me some lunch. The bird.
Hi, I know I got that on camera. I got it on film.
Oh my gosh, it's in its mouth? Is that it? Is it really in its mouth? Well, this has been a crazy day.
What?
Don't climb anything.